watch number 435, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Somerset, and Warren, and the following marine locations: coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Severe weather in Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland, may not be imminent. Persons their statements and possible warnings. NOAA weather radio. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex, Carmen, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Philadelphia, and Schuylkill. Monmouth and Salem, and the following counties: Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland. The severe